So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to share your comments from Facebook to WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Facebook account. Now you should have to scroll down and found a comment which you want to share, like this. Now just tap on a comment until you will see the option of share comment. So tap on it. Then here you can simply see the option of Messenger, WhatsApp, and even a person through a messenger. So I'm tapping on WhatsApp like this. Now select a person whom you want to send. So I'm sending myself. Now tap on send icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side, like this, and see you have successfully sent comment on WhatsApp. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.